Is your Windows PC feeling sluggish every time you try to open an application? Microsoft just rolled out a hidden performance update known as the K to CPU boost. It forces your processor to instantly hit maximum speed the second you click an app. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn it on. To unlock this feature, we need to use a free utility called ViVeTool. Head down to the video description and click the official GitHub link to open this release page. Once you are on the GitHub page, scroll down until you see the Assets section. Click on the ViVeTool zip file to instantly download it to your computer. Locate the downloaded zip file in your folders, right-click on it, select Extract All, and extract these files straight into a brand new folder on your C drive. I named mine ViVeTool. Now, go to your Windows search bar and type cmd, right-click on Command Prompt and click Run as Administrator. Inside the terminal, type cd space and the path to your new folder. Then, copy the special ID command from my description, paste it right here, and hit Enter. Once you see the success message, reboot your computer. Let's prove that it actually works. I have Task Manager open on the Performance tab so we can watch the processor speed. Keep your eyes on the graph as I open the Brave browser. Right there, you can see the CPU frequency instantly spike to its absolute maximum to load the browser without any lag, before dropping right back down to save power. Your system is now running with the ultimate low latency profile. If this tutorial sped up your PC, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to Tech for Boost for more optimizations. See you next time.